Sharon. How was school today? Because I swear I'm going to batter you if you keep on talking nonsense.
You look like a pig.
I can't believe Sharon really saying that, man. You know, I'm going to crack your bone. I'm going to crack your bone, little girl.
I'm not.
Yeah, I'm going to crack your bones, man.
You're not.
Why not?
Because I just cracked yours first.
Don't
I'm
make me
cracking
laugh.
your head first.
Sharon, why are you so aggressive?
Because you are.
I'm
You
not.
are moany.
Sharon, why are you so unkind?
Because you are.
Am I?
Yeah.
To you?
Yeah.
That's not fair. That is not fair. Sharon said I'm unkind. You know what? From after today, I won't be taking you shopping. I won't be taking you to buy shoes. I won't be taking you to buy food. I won't take you to buy anything.
Means you're a cool father.
Am I?
If you don't do all that stuff, say ha 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 ha.
Jesus, Savior, pilot me of a life, tempest to see. Sharon, what have I done? What have I done for you to be doing this to me, telling lies and all of those stuff?
No, I'm not. You snore like a pig. I'm surprised how I even sleep through it.
You're the first.
You
are the first
like
one.
A pig.
You are the first
snore
one.
Like a pig.
You're the first
like a
one.
Pig. You snore like a pig.
This little girl is a liar, man.
No, I'm not. Right.
Liar, say you punch down for you.
He snores like a pig. I'm surprised how I even sleep through it. When I wake up, he's snoring like a pig.